Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are making Jackfruit Pulissery in Kerala style. This is a very interesting recipe made from raw jackfruit. So without any further ado, let's begin. Let's begin with cutting the raw jackfruit. For this I have greased my hands with some coconut oil. Let's de-seed it. Pull out the seed of the jackfruit like so. We can use a seed for cooking, but remove the outer covering of the seed, which is not good for digestion. Cut in parallel to the layers like so. For this recipe, avoid cutting big chunks of jackfruit. Let's make a coconut paste. For this, I have taken 1 cup of grated coconut, 2 shallots, 1 inch ginger, few curry leaves, 1 green chilli, and little water, and grind this into a fine paste like so and keep it aside. Take a kadai. Add the cut jackfruit. Add 2 cups of water, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, some salt, a slit of green chilli and few curry leaves. Bring this to a boil and cook till the jackfruit turns tender and soft. This will take around 30 minutes on low to medium flame. You can expedite the process by cooking it in a pressure cooker and giving it around 1 to 2 whistles. Jackfruit has cooked very well. At this stage, we will add the prepared coconut mix. Add little water in the mixture jar to get the remaining mix. Now cook this really well for 5 to 7 minutes on low to medium flame till the raw smells of the coconut goes off. After the coconut paste is cooked well, add 2 cups of hot water and bring this to a boil. Once it begins to boil, lower down the flame. Add 3 cups of beaten curd. Once you add the curd, do not cook it for a longer time. Just simmer it for a couple of minutes and then switch off the flame. Let's move towards the tempering. Add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Add a teaspoon of mustard seeds. Once it's begun to splutter, add half teaspoon of fenugreek seeds. Add 7 shallots. Half cut onions. Once it turns golden brown, add few curry leaves, 3 to 4 dry red chilies, and finally add half teaspoon of Kashmiri red chilli. This is to add a nice color. Now add the tempering to the jackfruit gravy. Give it a gentle mix and immediately close the lid and let it rest for few hours. This tastes best if you take it after 4 to 5 hours. That's it. A delicious jackfruit pulissery is ready to be served. Let's move towards the plating. This tastes best with Kerala rice or any hot steamed rice. Hope so you have liked the recipe. Request you to please subscribe to my channel so you will get notified on my further videos. Thank you for tuning in. See you soon.